Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. And if you love tech, unboxings, and simple tips, you are in the right place. So, if your Instagram draw option is not showing or suddenly disappeared, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to fix it in just a few simple steps. So, without any delay, let's get started. So, firstly, open the Play Store app. Now, at the bottom, tap on the search icon and search for Instagram. Update it if not, and after this, go back to the home page. Now open the settings app, scroll down and click on the apps option. Click on Instagram, click on storage and cache, tap on clear cache, and yeah, that's it. And if you still face the problem, then open the Instagram app. Now at the bottom right corner, tap on the profile icon. Now at the top right corner, tap on the three horizontal lines. Now scroll down and click on the help option. Click on report a problem. Click on report problem. Click on include and continue. And here describe your problem, and after this click on the send option. And yeah, that's it. And if you find the information given in the video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.